One photo, one audio clip, and you can create a digital version of yourself, perfectly talking and lip syncing. This is OmniHuman and is perfectly integrated on CapCut via Dreamina. Right now it's free to try, and you also have 105 credits every single day, so you can try many times. Faceless channel, content in multiple languages, videos when you sleep. This changes absolutely everything. Let's go and test it out. Once we are inside dreamina.capcut.com, you can log in your CapCut account, or you can also enter CapCut and select Dreamina to have it inside the app. Below the search bar, you can see AI avatar OmniHuman, and this is where you click. You can see different options. You have the pre-built avatars, or you can create your own. We're gonna test 3 times with creating my own. You click on create avatar and you'll be asked to upload a photo. I already uploaded the photo here. This is the most important step, and most people get it wrong. The quality of your avatar depends almost entirely on the quality of the photo you upload. One person in one frame, from phrasing, good lighting, natural light or a ring light is the best. The AI needs to see your face clearly to map expression, blink patterns and mouth movements accurately. A blurry side or angle photo gives you a blurry off result. Once your photo is uploaded, select the model. If you want Avatar Pro, you have to upgrade. I'm just gonna stick with the normal one, OmniHuman 1.5. Avatar Turbo is faster but a bit less detailed, which is one that we are trying now. For content creation, if you have the upgrade, always go Pro. Option 1, type your script. The AI picks a voice from the library and your avatar speaks for it. So I'm gonna pick the voice and try on the first one. Let's see how it comes out.
Hi, welcome to CapCut with Rodrigo channel.
Happy with this. I'm not really happy with the teeth. They are a bit missing, I would say, and not happy with the instructions. So let's try another time with one of my photos from Mexico. Different environment. I want to see if you can see a bit of a smile, if it reacts better with the lip syncing. Let's see the result now.
Welcome to Mexico. We are in the East Coast.
Much better, I would say, much better. Not perfect yet, but much better. Now I want to try with a character. So let's upload a Mutant Ninja Turtle. I just downloaded his voice from an old movie on YouTube, and let's see how it works.
Don't worry, I came prepared. Put those away.
Pretty happy with the result here. Really smooth the voice, and it actually really looked like a good video. This one, I'm really impressed with this, really happy with this. Upload your picture, upload your audio, and create your video. Pretty simple. This is what OmniHuman is capable to do directly into CapCut. Something that I didn't tell you though, that this video, some part is made with OmniHuman. Can you recognize what part of the video, and let me know in the comment down below. Many more videos like this that will come, so make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. And talking about credits, I don't want you to waste so many credits, so I leave you with 2 videos on how to save credits and how to use C Dance 2.0. See you next time.